With the help of this video, we are going to explain you what is the difference in ITA TIDS, ITA Go Lite, ITA Go Standard, and ITA Go Global. First of all, ITA TIDS is only and only an identification number. This helps you in earning an excellent reputation in travel industry. Wherever you are making bookings, whichever good supplier you are using, when you use your TIDS number, that all gets counted, irrespective of it is air ticketing or related to travel packages. But ITA TIDS is not giving you ticket issuance rights. Now, the best solution, the cheapest solution, and the shortest solution for getting rights to issue air tickets is through ITA Go Lite. This gives you facility to issue tickets without depending on anyone. The charges to start the service are very less, which are approximately 20,000 INR. Then your annual charges are also very less, which are around 15,000 Indian national rupees. Here you even have facility of using credit card for making payments of the air ticket booked. Then we comes to ITA Go Standard. The benefit of ITA Go Standard is that it gives you facility of BSP also, which is Billing Settlement Plan. With the help of BSP, your cost of the air ticket reduces a bit, your work gets faster, your billing becomes very easy. Payments to airlines becomes very easy. You even starts getting credit. But there are more of charges involved. To sign up for ITA Go Standard, one needs to spend approximately 1 lakh Indian national rupees, and then your annual charges are also going to be around 25 to 30 Indian national rupees. Then we goes to ITA Go Global. ITA Go Global. First of all, you need to give security amount of approximately 38 lakh Indian national rupees. The only additional benefit which you get is global facilities. So this is an option which is useful for those who are issuing minimum 300 international air tickets in a month. And Go Standard is an option feasible for those who are issuing minimum 50 international air tickets in a month. Now, how to get it? Now you want to get one of the option. So what we recommend? We recommend you to go for ITA Go Lite. We are telling you the steps of getting ITA Go Lite. First of all, go on the link given in this video and which is available in description of the video also. Create your login, register yourself. pay the charges for Go Light, upload the documents which are very conveniently already available with you, and wait for the accreditation. You're going to receive the ITA number, ITA accreditation, and rights to issue air tickets. The letter which you would get with the help of this, you have to integrate it on Amadeus. Yes. If you cannot work on Amadeus or GDS, then taking ITA is useless. It is like getting a driving license but you do not have a car. So you have to learn Amadeus, you have to get Amadeus, integrate your ITA Go Light or Go Standard or Go Global with your Amadeus login and start issuing air tickets. I hope you have understood the difference between ITA TIDS, ITA Go Light, ITA Go Standard, and Go Global. Those who plan to start their travel business after 1 year, they must register for ITA TIDS today. Those who are already issuing tickets, who are already doing travel business, they should go for ITA Go Light. Those who are issuing good number of tickets, they should go for Go Standard, and those who are having multiple offices in different countries, they must go for ITA Go Global. This is Mayank from the Tourism School.